attention because I'm like looking at these cons, the 49.20s, right? Because that's what I traded. So they were already up. I'm like, man, they're 20 cents. But I was like, when they're this cheap, they usually become worthless, like 20 cents. I mean, obviously still like a directional move can definitely like change that. But I'm like, nah, bro. I was like, they can either not get any cheaper or they might get cheaper. I don't think I'm going to roll the dice on that. So I just sat on my hands. These bitches went from 20 cents, bro, to $10, bro.
$1,000 for $20.
Yeah, bro. That shit was crazy. 5,000%, bro.
Yo, that's wicked. That's wicked. But I saw the shit coming at 11 o'clock when the market bounced. We had this wild ass buying volume candle that came in, and I'm like, yo, this could be it. And I'm just like, I don't want to get back in. I don't want to risk my money. Bro, that shit just kept going and going. And I'm like, dude, get in there. I'm like, no. Bro, it took that shit to go and break like 3 levels before I was like, yo, I just have to take it. I have to take it. And then I stopped myself again, bro. And it kept going, son. That shit was parabolic yesterday, bro.
Yeah, that shit was nuts, bro. As soon as the 3 o'clock candle hit, like it opened and just.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we saw that. I was on with fucking what's his name? LMD. And LMD was like, I'm going short. I'm like, you bugging, bro. This shit is this market's gonna shoot. It's not stopping.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm going long. So I went long in my cash account. Bro, but I went with MNQs because I had made like over 1,000 yesterday. And I'm like, I'm not giving them shit back. So I went with MNQs, bro. And that 3 o'clock candle came. That shit said, it just kept, yo, bro. Every candle was a fucking rocket. Anyways, it was an amazing day. I took longs, but I took longs at like 245, and I just kept waiting and waiting and waiting. They put me in a little bit of drawdown. I added to it with MNQ, so I added about 4 MNQs. Bro, LMD said he's going short. I'm like, bro, you tripping? This shit is not stopping. This is crazy. Remember when I told you sometimes you feel when the market is like it just broke the fucking wheel, like the brakes are gone. That was what I felt, and I'm like, this shit is not gonna stop, bro. And at 3 o'clock, that shit just rocketed, like you said. So I started scaling out. Give me that. Bro, I scaled out so fast. That shit kept going. I was like, oh, no, I don't have any more coins. But
yeah, that shit went up.
But it was a good day, man. Good day. I'm about to do the pre-market show real quick, see what we can get today. What you looking at for SPY? Tell the people them.
Right now, kind of in a weird spot because that long yesterday at close, that kind of like put the market in a weird spot with like the Bollinger Bands. So all I'm thinking is a bullish continuation. The 15-minute does look bearish, and so do the other micro time frames. But I'm looking for a bounce right here.
Yeah, same.
It's just, I'll be honest, bro, it's hard for me to kind of come up with a valid thesis just because, like, I don't know if we're going to pull back and retest the breakout level. I don't know if we're going to just keep going. It's a lot here, but we don't have a lot. We have a 1 hour supply at 491.35. So maybe a retest of that. But to be honest with you, I don't really see a lot of bearish sentiment here. I don't know if you see anything. Let me know if you see anything different than me. But all I'm seeing is like a possible like small fade at the open and then a bounce.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're at the 4 hour money zone. I'm absolutely long in this level, bro.
Yeah.
I don't know what the market does.
That in itself is making me want to long that shit.
Yeah, I might have to go in pre-market right here and just risk the lows. The tick chart is in a bearish kind of condition, so maybe I just hold off until it gets back into a bullish condition and then jump in there, which means that I'm going to forfeit 40 points, but that's all right. Let's see what kind of supply we definitely got. 15-minute supply. He said the battle plan is to take shorts. from here on NQ if I can get it. Yeah, so my own assessment is 1 hour supply up here, 15-minute supply up there, but we do have a 15-minute demand. So I'm basically gonna play that demand, man, and see what the market gives me. In fact, if I can, I'll put in the order here. This is MNQ. I'll put in the order here and I'll just stop out if they go lower and call it a day. But yeah, I'm taking this 15-minute demand now, bro, and I'll see what happens within the next 10 minutes. But I'm anticipating that this demand shoots up a little bit and gets us at least to some supply. Golly, it's already working. Jesus Christmas. It's already working, bro.
It's already pumping. Shit's fucking going right now.
Yeah. Jesus Christmas. So I took that. Oh my God. Anywho, probably should start scaling out. I'm gonna take one. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this demand and see what happens. I mean, the market could dump into the 15-minute, 200 SMA, but this is kind of where you want to go long, or at least where I want to go long, to see if we can retest supply. Holy shit, dude. All right. We just get out of that because we got a 2-minute supply right above us. So not a bad little start to the day right there. Yeah, anyways, I think that we do have some enemies above us for longs, but I do think that we have the potential to bounce off of this money zone down there. I think this is one of those take it, walk away kind of day and see what happens. If the market dumps in the morning, I'm going long. I don't give a fuck where they dump to. I'm just going to go long, put a 40-point stop, and just walk away, bro. Nah, don't watch it. Ain't no way I'm going to miss out on a 4-hour money zone. So anyways, all right, here we go. We have about 2 minutes before the open. The daily money zone is way down here, right? Basically back to 400, 500 level. I don't think the market's going to dump that much. I don't know what the market's going to do, but it is what it is. We do have buyers all in this candle that would get trapped. If they break lows of these buyers, I think the market will dump. But this dude should either step in or he's going to move out of the way and get, ooh, look at that pop. Jesus Christ, right before the open.
Just popping, bro. Every little pullback.
Yeah, this shit is getting crazy. Damn, if I took that shit with NQ, that would have been a good $300. I'd have been done for the day. So yeah, we'll see what happens, man. I do think longs are in play.
How much did you make on NQ yesterday?
On NQ, I made $2,000 in the cash account, and I made $380 in the Top Step account.
Taking at $2,000?
Yeah.
Oh shit, good.
Yeah, I jumped in on that. I jumped in my cash account on the longs with some NQs just to see what the fuck happened, and that shit paid out. But I ended up getting scared at the end, bro. I could have jumped in again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So it looks like that some sellers came in at the supply line on the 2-minute just now. That brought this market down. Not a big deal. We do have a selling condition on the tick chart, so that kind of makes sense. But we'll see what happens, man. We have this 1 hour supply up here. Odds of us getting back to 1 hour demand, and they're going to wipe out everything they did yesterday. It's not unreasonable. They can do that. They fucking do that all the time. But but I like this demand here. So this is what I'm shooting for. This is another one that I'm looking at, and yeah, we'll see what kind of bounces we can get.
Oh goodness.
This bitch is pumping, cuz. Well, I tried to catch that dip. Jesus Christmas. 5 seconds to go. Here we go.
They bought that dip the fuck up. That shit is ripping.
So far, looking good. I'm
Yeah,
out.
that shit ripping.
And I'm out. Done for the day, Dick. Done for the day. 266 on that one. That's it, brother. Told you I was buying that fucking money zone. I'm gonna close that account out. Man, I might as well just keep buying this shit. Buy every dip. Buy every dip. They're gonna go nuts from this zone. Try to get a good dip on this, big dog.
I'm looking right now, bro.
This shit could rip to 709, bro. Back to high.
Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a pullback right now, getting some hate up here.
Yeah, I mean, that supply on a 2 minute. You got a ways to go, bro. On, oh my God. Ways to go on a, what you call it? 5 minute.
Talking about the 5 minute supply?
That shit is way up there, bro.
Yeah, so is the 15-minute supply. The only thing is the 200 MA is right above us, bro, and that shit's bringing shit down right now.
200 MA on which time frame?
Time frame. Oh, 5 and the 2, bro.
Bro, I think if these bulls want to turn on the bot, this is where they're gonna turn it on at. 4-hour money zone, bro. This is where they turn it on at.
Yeah, no. Oh, 49.55. That's what I'm thinking about taking right here, Spark.
Make sure you catch a pullback, bro. Don't get hit with them bullshit. But yeah, I mean, like, they might not give it to you. This shit is out.
Nah, they might give it, bro.
Yeah, don't rush it.
Yeah, because they're already starting to pull back.
Yeah.
We'll see how she acts.
Big dog going short over here. He's gonna get crushed.
Who's going short?
This other dude in this other chat. I mean, maybe he doesn't. Who the fuck knows? But yo, the money zone, and we just got into a bullish condition on the tick chart, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna take a stab right here. Oh damn, they already lunged. Never mind, bro. I'll probably wait for a new pullback. Look at that shit go. Oh, excuse me.
Yes, it's still going. You're getting a pullback on that.
Yeah.
If you get a NQ just did a pullback and it's creating a demand on the tick chart, so above the 200. So this is where I would have gone in again, possibly, but I don't like the fact that the 2-minute has a supply line, but fuck that supply. So I'll just wait for, there it goes. This should just be jumping. It should just be jumping. I'll wait for that shit to get straight. Let them do whatever pullback they need. Ooh, that's a lot of selling on a 2-minute.
Yeah, that's a lot of selling pressure. Yeah, I see that.
I like it. Take that shit. Right at the money zone, too. Look at that wick at the money zone. Oh, God! Come on, guys. To get better than this? This area here is where you want to just fucking go long, but let's see what happens.
Starting to go up now. Getting a little bit of a baby surge right here.
Yeah. If they take out highs, this shit is out, bro. So you need to decide whether you want to take longs or not yet. But
yeah, we're getting close to that 15-minute supply area. So if it breaks out of that, it could definitely see a surge.
I don't like the fact that the 2-minute is below the 200. Like, where the fuck did that come from?
No, the 2 minutes above the 200. What are you talking about?
NQ.
Oh, what's that? Oh, on NQ. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a pretty decent pullback right now. I could get in right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get in right here, Spark.
All right, cool.
I'm looking at 49.55s.
Oh God, that shit whipping, cuz. Bro, you got a lot of bullish candles before you. Yeah, I'm looking at SPY now just to see what. Damn, that shit about to break, bro. You in it yet?
No, yeah, I got two. Just a really cheap entry.
Get that man some motherfucking momentum. Get that man.
I'm trying to see if I can hold this all day. It was only like it's only a $190 position. Man, that shit's struggling up here now.
I'm looking at SPY right now. The only thing you got is a 2-minute, 5-minute supply line coming in.
Yeah, we're also getting close to that supply level on the 1 hour, bro. That's the one thing. Oh yeah, that shit's falling now. Fuck. 2-minute supply just got straight.
Yeah, I was gonna say SPY needs to at least tap the money zone to kind of get more move. But I think you're right about holding this one all day. Let's see what happens. But you're above the 200, like you said, on the 2-minute. So it's just a 5-minute. You got to get through.
Yeah.
Let's get back to NQ, see what's going on there. Tell you whether tech is gonna bring this bitch up or what. Yeah, NQ is looking good.
Oh, it's catching like a little baby bounce right here, but I don't know. We'll see what's up, bro. It's going back to the 2-minute money zone right now. It's fucking banking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit's dropping, bro. I don't know.
NQ popped up again.
Yeah, so did SPY. After that pullback, it popped up a little bit. Slight chance I'm gonna trap myself in some bullshit here, bro. I don't like how this this fucking price action's moving at all.
Every time I see sell pressure, bulls buy the shit back up from the money zone. So just want to see if that shit continues or if they're gonna kill it. But
yeah, it's like the only thing that's really keeping me on my toes here is that fucking 2-minute supply that printed up there. We'll see how this shit reacts from down here.
Here we go. This could be the snap. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going. Wow.
Just trying. I like that bottoming wick.
Like this fucking, they hitting the roof up here though.
Yeah, that's exactly what's going on because that down candle's so big on the 2-minute. I don't like that shit at all. Yeah, if they don't surge, I'm gonna have to stop out of this, bro. I don't want to sit through this. I'm already down 120 on it.
Not so bad yet, but yeah, I feel you. If they surge, this shit's gonna teleport. Come on, buy it up. That fucking 2-minute, man. 2-minute got the supply up there that got straight.
Yeah, that's exactly what's keeping me on my toes.
Here we go. Fuckers. Careful here. Yeah, shit looks heavy. Let's say assholes.
I was looking heavy on NQ or what?
Honestly, it has the condition to go through a bull run. It hasn't really invalidated anything yet. If it gets below the 200, I'll let you know. But bro, this shit, it keeps bouncing. All right, here we go. Now they're testing the 200 right here on this drop.
Yeah, SPY just fell again after a retest of that fucking 490.96 level. It keeps fucking showing hate right there, bro. That's the most annoying part. This shit looks like it might come down now.
That's the thing, though.
I don't know.
They're gonna fuck around and test people down there, and then all of a sudden go for another fucking bull run. I think I like the gap between the 15-minute. 15-minute has room all the way up. 5-minute has room all the way up. The only thing stopping us right now is that 2-minute. For you on SPY, I think you had the 5-minute also, though.
Yeah. Well, where we started to drop from earlier was the 5-minute 5-minute supply area.
Yeah. Yep.
It was like right there.
Your tick chart is so close to going crazy, though. Come on, SPY. Let's look at the stock market. See what the hell the market is doing overall. Apple, nice pullback, but it's shooting. Tesla, hard. Nvidia is the one we gotta watch too. That's a big pullback there on Nvidia. Yeah, I think you're just going through. NQ just broke the 200. Got back above it just now. Oh shit, bro.
I was in a weird ass spot right now. I really don't even know what the fuck could happen.
Yeah, this is where this fear candle. Look, they bounce right back up. That could have been a fear candle. If they go back down there, I'd be looking to fucking cover. Get the hell out of there. Come on, fight. Where are the buyers at? Yeah, SPY is actually in a good condition. It keeps bouncing off of that bottom money zone, right?
Yeah, it on the 2-minute, yeah, we're bouncing off of the money zone, yeah. On the 5-minute, we're rejecting the 200 MA.
Right, so, right.
It's so like it's one of those fucking trades, bro, where it's just like there's no clear direction, really.
Yeah, no, I get it.
It's just really just yeah.
You mean
like, but if they're gonna continue this bullish run, it's gonna bounce right here.
Right. See, they went underneath the 200, hovered a little bit, caught some bids, and now this bull run is happening. Woo, 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 woo. Go, motherfucker, okay. Go. Fucking wait.
Just don't stop, bro, because my contracts are out the money, bro. So, like, the more that they do this bullshit, the less that I want to be in this trade, bro. That's why I be cutting these shits so soon. Like, the fucking 300%, 400%, 500% runners, I be cutting them because, like, they're so far out the money that it's like, if this shit don't move, I'm gonna cut it. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and just fucking give myself a headache all day.
Yeah, you gotta you need that push. Which ones you got? 490. Oh, you got
49.55.
SPX.
49.55. Yeah.
Real quick.
49.55s.
Jesus Christ, 49.55. That's not that bad on SPX. That bitch will run. All you need is a pop to like 432, 435, some shit like that. She'll go.
Need like a small pop, bro. Probably to like that fucking supply level on the 15-minute. I'll probably look to cover most of my position there. See, I like that. Just don't stop. Why the fuck do you just pull back?
It keeps knocking its head on that fucking supply level up there. That's
Yeah, just did it again. Fucking pulling back from that shit yet again, bro. Another fucking time.
That's all right.
I
don't mind.
It's scary because this could be a higher low, bro.
Yeah.
Or a lower high, I mean. Oh, they're fucking starting to drop. That's a ugly 2-minute close. Ugly, bro. I don't like that.
Yeah, there was some sellers in that candle just now. Probably trying to close.
Yeah, we got 63% selling pressure on the fucking 2-minute.
I tell you what, if they break that previous 2-minute candle, it's gonna cause a squeeze. So
To the downside?
Nah, squeeze to the upside. The sellers are already in control, but you're in a bull market. So if these sellers get wiped, they're gonna have to cover.
I don't like what's going on right now. It's fucking stupid.
Some selling pressure coming in on a 5-minute too. We'll see what happens. We're going back to NQ just to see what the tech market is doing. Yeah, NQ
sure, bro.
Big fucking drop. Shit gotta survive this 200. Come on, you can do it. Selling pressure coming in on NQ.
Buy has to break that fucking supply level. If they don't break that shit, this shit's not going nowhere.
Wick, bro. Jesus Christmas. How do you even catch these wicks? That shit was crazy.
What happened? What are you looking at?
NQ just caught a mean wick to the bottom. Like it just popped up. It popped up from the 15-minute demand zone. Oh shit. This shit keeps, oh man, it just hit. What are they hitting up here?
On NQ?
On SPY, it must be your 5 minutes.
2-minute supply. Fresh. That's where we're at right now. We're like a couple cents away from 2-minute supply. It's at 491.17. That's what it looks like, at least. Yeah. I don't know. It looks like they might turn around at the supply level, bro. I might just respect the fucking trend today. It's a hard read. I couldn't tell you shit. Come on, baby. Just one little push. Are you sitting cash right now?
What's that?
Are you sitting right now? You're not in anything right now?
Yeah, I'm done, bro. I caught the pop this morning, so like I'm chilling right now.
You caught it at the bell, huh?
Yeah. Bro, I tell you, I'm not letting them leave that 4-hour demand without me. Fuck that. I took a gamble on that one. Here we go. We got a nice pop. Come on, keep the fucking momentum going. Let's go, Bulls.
They gotta keep it up.
They chomping shit up right now.
That's the swing high from this morning right here where we're at.
Yeah, yeah.
Bitch better pop, bro. I'm gonna be pissed if it don't.
I'm seeing some selling pressure on the 2 minute, just FYI on NQ. Let me go back to SPY real quick. The great thing about this reduction, man.
I mean, we are at supply, gang.
Ooh, you breaking out.
Oh no, we caught a pullback after that. It didn't even do anything.
Yeah. Draw a trend line on the 2 minute, big dog. It should respect that trend line now. Here we go.
There we go.
Play defense. Or let that bitch run. I don't know. You know what happens at supply. Bunch of bullshit.
Yeah, they could peekaboo it and then fucking drop it. You never know. You know how that shit goes.
100. I think the Bulls are stepping back in now. I don't like the fact. Look at this fight, bro. This shit is dirty. On NQ, this shit is dirty.
Yeah, SPY it's fighting though, like too. So, oh, it's in a weird ass spot right now. That fucking 2 minute supplies, that 15-minute supplies is far away from right here.
NQ just caught a mean wake to the top, man. Bro, I don't know, bro. This shit crazy.
It surged or what?
Nah, this shit just more selling pressure just came in just now. 93% brought the market back down on NQ. I got a top trend line on NQ and ES. I think for you, you got a bottom trend line that's holding.
Yeah, sorta, kinda, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get out, bro. I'm good, bro. I don't like this shit.
Are you green on that one?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Cool. You can always get back in, but protect that shit. You know what I mean? When you see something that you like, you just get back in. But you got a nice surge, you're green, fuck them. I know if the shit goes, you're going to be tight, but fuck that, bro. Better than being, like, angry all day.
Yeah, well, this shit's dumping now. So, I mean, I don't know, bro. I have no, I fucking.
You're in a good condition. Look at that trend line. It didn't break below it yet, but if it does, your contract's going to go to shit.
Yeah, it's gonna get cooked. Yeah, that's the only problem. It's in a weird place right now.
I like the 15 minute.
This thing does look like it could keep ripping, but I don't know. Now this fucking top wick, and then look at this fucking bullshit, bro.
Yeah, that was a big pullback now. Hope that they get the buy up at. It's either two things. They buy it at the 2 minute money zone or they buy it at the 5 minute. And that 5 minute is going to crush your cons.
Yeah, it's going to kill my premium. Absolutely murder my shit.
I'll be right back, all right? Hey, yo, LMD. Check your mic, check your mic. Yo, yo. Ooh, there you go, Jazz. Take that motherfucking money. Yeah. LMD, you there? I'm going back to my channel real quick. Hey, Jazz, look at the 15 minute. That shit got a supply right up at 491.37 on SPY.
Yeah, no, I know.
Yeah, and in the 1 hour too. So, like, I think you've done your job. If you can get above any more pops, you've done your job, bro.
Yeah, Yeah, I'm done, bro. I'm not gonna. I'm already out, bro. And like now, this shit's fucking back up again.
You took the pullback exit. Got you.
Yeah, bro.
It's all good. It's all good. But yeah, I was like looking at SPY for you, and I'm like, okay, it looks like they're gonna bounce. Like I said, they're either gonna bounce at the 2-minute or the 5-minute. But look at that trend line. That shit bounced right off that trend line. That you know. So buyers are stepping into this market, but you do got some selling haters up here. Just don't want to see another fucking wick up here. It's gonna break out. There's zero selling pressure. Yep, zero selling pressure. It's gonna break out. Went to 59. Damn, just like that. You telling me somebody looking at the tape could have fucking prevented that? Get the fuck out of here.
Not at all, bro.
Exactly. Like that shit. Now you could probably say, oh, let me just cut that because I didn't like that. But already if you're in options, your conscious already you lost a bit. Bitter fell. Faded. Thank you. I'll be right back again.
All right, bro. Irritated.
Oof. Oof. That was a peekaboo on SPY.
Yeah, but like, and now it's bouncing again. So I don't fucking. Who knows what the fuck is gonna happen right here?
I don't know, bro. That's NQ just fucking tanked. It didn't tank back down to the money zone. If they get back down there, I don't know, bro. I might go in again, cuz.
Hey, yo.
I might go in again, cuz. Bro, that level is not going to fold easily, bro. It's not going to fold easily. All they need to do is break this. Let me put a trend line on NQ. They break this trend line, we off to the fucking races. Where's my line at?
Bro, the way that they're holding contract price too, like I'm so irritated, bro. Why is it that every single time I cut a fucking trade, bro, it fucking works? Like, why? Why? Like, that shit makes me so mad, bro. And they work so well too. It's every single trade I cut. It's never the ones I hold. It's never the ones I scalp. It's all like every fucking time, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, I want to fucking quit day trading so bad, bro. God, I need to find a fucking other gig or something, bro. This shit is way too stressful.
I'm with you. Let's do it. I got 2 interviews today.
Yeah, that shit's dumb, bro. Like, I can't keep doing this shit to myself, bro.
They want to test that level up there on the 15-minute on SPY and the 1 hour. If they break through that, ain't nothing stopping this train.
Yeah, the 10 o'clock candle is going to come in a couple of minutes. So
Good eye on that.
We'll see how that next market react.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that. 10 o'clock fucking coming in. NQ is just not catching any steam. That shit quote work, bro. It's catching selling work, buying work. This shit don't know where it wants to go.
Give me a fucking break, bro. Deep ass fucking pullbacks, just a fucking lunge. Like, bro, how am I even supposed to hold some shit like that in a fucking... Oh, bro, I've had enough. I've seriously had enough of this shit. I have a feeling the market's gonna fucking surge as soon as 7 o'clock. I don't know why.
Two, one, go. Bing! Boner. Oh shit.
Hell no, market just
shit.
died, gang.
Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Oh shit. Gang, that shit is ripping. It's inside the money zone, so like I said, I'm with the shits today. Man, shut this shit down before you fuck around and kill yourself.
I think I cut that shit before fucking news hit. I would have fucking.
Yeah, you would have been doing backflips. Come on, give us one more dip. One more dip. There you go. Oh, that shit popped right back up. Chill, gang.
Long right here, but god damn, that shit is fucking melting.
That motherfucker dead.
Yeah, that shit's dying, bro. They're bringing it to a demand area.
No, that shit just broke. That shit just broke out the money zone, which means it could come up. Golly, slow down, Eddie.
Yeah, that news hit the market and said, nope.
Question is, do we take fucking shorts again? I like shorts. Fuck it. Let's do it. Give me a green.
Shorts?
I like shorts because we're underneath the 200 on the tick chart. It's underneath the 200 on every fucking chart, besides the 15 and the 1 hour.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, I like the bounce. I like the bounce. But now we need to be looking for shorts, just in case they. Just in case. This motherfucker out, cuz. It's bouncing.
Damn, I tried to long that, bro, but I didn't get filled.
Oh, I feel you.
Yeah, it's a little too late now for me to get in.
Nah, it's not too late. It's not too late, bro. Just find something. Find something that gets you in this shit. This shit could run all the way back up. Look at this whole candle. 50% of this candle. Oh my.
I just need a pullback.
God. There goes your pullback.
Oh my god.
Just wait for a deeper pullback than this. Because you never know if the shorts. Yeah, see? Oh, they going crazy right now. They going crazy right now. I like the bulls stepping in right here. I'm gonna go in. Let's go in. Let's fucking go in. I'm in. All right, bet.
I just took that. Yeah. I stepped down to 49.50s.
I think you might have gone in before me. I can't step in up here. Come on, you fuck.
Oh, we're back at my entry, you bitch.
Get out of there. Get out of there.
Oh, no, don't do this. Oh, y'all gonna make me fucking cry.
You still good. a lot of buyers that stepped in right there. You just need that fucking demand to get straight. You got a demand on your 2 minute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I took it. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to get in with you guys. Oh, the motherfuckers gonna leave me, man. Oh, if you get back above the 200, this shit could run.
Yeah, but it's rejecting at the 200.
Yeah, we just broke above it on the
On what, on NQ?
Yeah, on NQ. We just broke, well, on MNQ, which is weird to me. Like, this shit is a headache. Oh, that's the break, retest. Come on, come on.
Baby.
I'm not gonna risk anything. I'm out of here.
Get above that 200, bitch.
If we break above 647 on NQ, guys, it'll be the break, retest, previous swing low, go move. Lord Jesus.
The new 5-minute came in, it's fucking dripping.
Yeah.
Damn it, bro.
They fighting for dear life.
Yeah. No, that shit's not fighting no more. It's just dropping.
SPY is?
Yeah, SPY is dropping. Yeah, I'm out, bro. I'm getting out, bro. I'm not gonna do this. Fuck no. That down candle's way too fucking ugly. Hell no, bro. I'm cool. Y'all can have it.
Small red day. Good shit, Jazz. I think we're gonna bounce somewhere down here, man, but I don't know when the fuck's gonna happen. Look at that bounce.
Look at that shit. Fucking bitch. I didn't get out yet though.
Just put your stop and walk away, bro. Put your stop wherever the fuck you think the market's gonna go and walk away. Don't look at this shit because you're gonna go nuts. This, especially during data, like, you're gonna go nuts. NQ just went fucking batshit with a demand on the tick chart. Above here, we fucking cooking with gas or oil, whichever one. Ooh, I think you cooking with gas, baby. Oh, don't stop, motherfucker, don't stop. Let's fucking go. Let's go.
Bro, I had an order to get out, bro. They're not feeling me, bro.
You about to get hit. You about to get hit. Don't stop, motherfucker. Don't stop. Oh, come on. Don't stop. Don't go back down. If this shit goes back down, they giving people heartaches.
Yeah, they fucking with me right now, bro. I don't like this shit at all, bro. Let's go.
Defense.
Yeah, small red day, but it's cool, bro. I'm not tripping. That's what it is. Oh, bro, I'm fucking pissed.
For anybody that wonders why I'm long, this shit is a discount. this market went up, it pulled back, it gave us a. You're never gonna get the launch zone, right? Like, and if we do, we do. But like, this shit is not gonna give you that level very easily. So like, look at this wick. This is a fucking 4-hour wick. A 4-hour wick. This is crazy. Like, this market could literally shoot to motherfucking all-time high. Yo, Jazz, if you can, take some profit if you got more than one and let that next motherfucker break even, bro. Don't let that bitch go.
Let him go completely.
Oh, at least you small red, but or small green, whatever. But
No, I'm down $10 on the day, bro. I couldn't give a fuck.
you lit. This motherfucker lit. Look at this shit. I'm telling y'all. And look, we could see it on a smaller time frame. What's happening, right? Like, look, we're above the 200 on the tick chart. This bitch could go.
What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? What? Yeah, if you look at those 45, 49, 55s I was in earlier today, they just did 100% retracement.
Right? Like, what the fuck?
Yeah. I don't know, bro. I don't know, Spark. I'm so mad at where my rear stands right now, bro. This shit's fucking annoying, bro. It's pissing me off. Fucking over here trading like a bitch.
Man, you good, brother. You're good. You're good. I think you've accomplished more than anyone could ever have accomplished in this hard ass career. I just think you gotta like work on risk management. Like, reduce your risk so that you don't care about the trade, and you'll be fine, bro. Like, because you already got the balls that I don't got. I always told you that shit. I said this motherfucker got balls that I don't have. This motherfucker will hold. So if you're a holder, then reduce the risk, right? Like, reduce the size of the contract and don't give a fuck about it. And I think throughout the year, not today, today you might take a loss, but throughout the year, bro, when you bang, there's no way that 5,000% contract goes without you. There's just no way.
Yeah, no, I get you. Bro, that shit yesterday had me mad. I shouldn't even have been on the game. Like, that shit had me hot, bro.
Yeah, you're trying to be a trader that wants to be right within the first hour. Like, with options, it's hard to do that, and you don't need to. Take that cheap ass contract, let the market take your $25, your $50, your fucking $100, and walk away. But if this bitch starts to go, bro, you're gonna be up 1,000%. Like, fuck that. I'm going for that strategy all day. Like,
Yeah,
it's just.
I mean, that worked out. I worked out perfect yesterday because it was the last hour of the market.
Nah, it wasn't just the last hour though. That shit started at 11:30. Oh, at 11 o'clock.
No, the surge at 12. That was when the contracts were still 20 cents.
Oh god. Oh shit. Look at that. So at 11 o'clock, bro, the market started trending up. You could have gone and found a cheap ass contract and said, you know what? Let me put $25 and see if this market continues to go up, and just walked away. Like right now, you could find a cheap ass contract and say,
hold that thought. I'll be right back.
yeah. God, look, them fights are crazy, bro. Look at where the bounces are coming from, guys. On this tick chart. I can't ignore this shit. I think we got a lot of buyers and sellers trapped in this fucking zone right here on the 2-minute. Sellers are coming in right now on the 5-minute. I would just take the dip. Don't deny. Like, look at this. These are buyers on the 5-minute, right? Like, these are buyers. Buyers bought the dip. They found a situation that they like. Let's get back to it. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Line them up. Yeah. Shoot them up. Yeah. Honestly, I did not do the analysis that I needed to do pre-market. So let me just do that really quickly. Orange boxes are now here. So that means above or below that is a short, below it, above is long. This is your money zone. I'm never gonna give up on a 4-hour money zone. I don't give a fuck what the market looks like. I'm going to buy the dips in this zone. Fuck what nobody talks about. Fuck is you talking about? All right. So we have this level because this is a 15-minute zone before us. Light him up. Shoot him up. Hey. Hit him with the foe. This is a 15-minute zone. I mean, you could go with the sells, man. I don't mind it. I don't mind. Yo. Shout out to my brother LMD. What's up, man? Jump in the Discord. LMD, what's up with your mic, bro?
Oh no, I was inside the house. I don't know why I was inside the house.
Oh, you lit now. I hear you, brother.
Yeah, I don't know what was wrong with it. I think probably because I was messing with it.
Hey, man, that supply kicked ass just now. I know you got a 15-minute supply up there.
I don't know. I told you I was done. I'm out of my shop.
I'm long bias all day, every day, gang, gang. Especially only because we're at a macro demand. Like we're at a macro 4-hour fucking money zone. This market ain't gonna break through this zone very easily. Look at this shit. Look at this bounce. Jesus Christ. Stop talking about it. Be about it. Jump in this motherfucking market. God damn, I just missed. God damn, LMD. I just missed 40 fucking points. This market too volatile for me. This shit bouncing 40, 60 points. Get the fuck out of here. You done? You done trading for real? For real? You sound like a bitch ass.
I see $1,000 in my future in one more day.
Congratulations, my brother. LMD over here. Nah, I'm gonna get this shit. Nah, I stopped it. I shut myself down for a reason. Everyday people. This shit is above the 200 on the tick chart. This thing can run, God. You ever heard of Michael Phelps? Usain Bolt? Watch this motherfucker go. I feel like I need to take a MNQ and just walk away. I don't want to lose what I got. I don't want to lose what I got. This is what stopped me from making more money yesterday. You in the shop right now?
Yep, rest of the day. Till I go outside and cut my grass.
Look at that pop. Yeah, man. And yo, bro, these fucking candle colors are the truth. Motherfuckers tell you when buyers are in the building. I'm like, oh shit, let me jump in with these motherfuckers. Yeah, I mean, you ain't gonna get like obviously it could pull back on you, but at least you jumping in during the momentum. You shit, I'm in and out this motherfucker. I'm trading like you. Thank you, sir. Don't take nothing back. That's actually an interesting conversation to have, like on a podcast or something like that. Like, if you're a momentum trader, why the fuck would you give something back? Real choppy at the moment. GCLC. Trying to stay away from indices today. No, I'm not going back in. Fight the power. Fight the power that be. You know how yesterday you were saying whether or not you should like short the tops or big drops or big pops or whatever? Like right now, how do you know this shit is or isn't in a trend?
I ain't looking.
Oh, like you done. All right, that.
I ain't turning nothing on until 6 o'clock. Then I'm gonna take one trade. Gonna be red or green, and I'm gonna shut that shit down again until the first.
that that boy won his payout, boss.
Yeah, the way that I can't trade like I usually would trade, trying to conserve. So it just don't make no sense for me to trade at all. I'm gonna just sit on my hands and go from there.
Damn, Gina. Yo, that. Oh shit! Look at demand bounce from demand. Y'all motherfuckers lucky I don't smoke weed no more. Let's go YouTube. What y'all think? Y'all think we get the bull run from the above the 200 on the tick chart? Yeah, I'm gonna go long one time. Trader day. Let's see if I can get in there in a good time. So I basically want to take this pullback that's happening right here at the money zone. I'm gonna stop out if we get below that 42. So 60, about 20 points, $40. Spark and trade. We're thinking in probabilities right now, guys. I bet you wonder where I've been. How you find my lovely friend? I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you. Ooh, damn, that's a big ass song. You know what? Let's shut down. Let's shut down the trader bank. What you won't do for love. You find anything, but you won't get love. All right, let's take the. Oh God, wait, this shit is slam. Da 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 da. Let the boys be boys. Oh shit. I can't make no nothing but you. What you won't do? Oh, I'm out of here. I caught that. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, man. Man, let me shut this shit down. Do for love. You find everything. Simple shit, guys. The demand on the 2-minute, the tick chart came in. I jumped in there. Bitch ran up. I got the fuck out of Dodge. I don't like scalping. I wish I held one. Fuck this shit. I ain't gonna let you go. I think for you and I wanna let go. What you won't do? Do for love. Oh my God, that motherfucker gone. You find everything. Shut this shit down before you fuck around and take no trade. Damn, I wish I took that shit with NQ. That bitch would have been $3,000, you son of a bitch. What the hell is wrong with me? Oh, this shit's a rocket. This motherfucker gone. Doom, 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 doom. Oh. This motherfucker going. I can't tell you what is wrong with me. Incoming call. Hey, yo, Jazz. You ready? Got a face for you. Bro, that would have been 3 fucking hundreds. Hey, y'all, MD.
Yep.
Man, I just smacked the shit out of 5 MNQs, bro. And I didn't even look at what the fuck, whether my shit was on NQ or MNQ. I just knew that trade was going to work. Well, I ain't know shit. I just was going to take the trade based off of the demand line. Bruh. That shit paid $540 in seconds. I was in that trade in 30 seconds. That shit would have been $540. Look at this shit, it's still going. It's so hard to hold NQ versus MNQ, man. You gotta practice the process until the process becomes so normal that you can scale up and it don't change it. It wouldn't change your emotions. Fuck all that shit, cuz. It's true. All it is an extra zero. All right, whatever. All right, guys. It's about 10:38. I think this market is going to go test supply. Obviously, you guys can see that happening every time you see a white candle. Definitely go with the bulls. If you see a blue, you might want to go with the bears. But stop out at the high of that candle because the bears got fucked, or the bulls get fucked, and all that's happening here. But in the meantime, between time, out of here. You guys have a good time trading this fucking market. Made my little, what I make today, closing out $322. That shit adds up. All I gotta do is stop if I make less than 120, 150, 200 shit. Just stop trading, which is the hardest thing to do, man. You know what I don't like about Top Step? They don't let you fucking stop yourself from tilting. Stop, like, TraderBait has a function where you can say, yo, shut me down if I lose whatever your daily loss limit is. Top Step doesn't have that. It's like they want you to tilt.
Be your own man.
Man, fuck all that. This is why 95% of traders fail, bro. Thinking that we do have control of being our own man. You don't.
Until you do, you just fail.
But that look at the percentage is insane, bro. 95% is not a normal percent. That's almost guaranteeing that anyone that tries to do this will fail. So if you're trying to do this on some like, yo, I want to put my kids through college, you're done. If you try to do this on something like, yo, I want to quit my job and do this, you're done. So like, why not implement that feature that Tradeovate understands? I think Tradeovate understands that you can't be in control. So if you just put this feature on, you accept that.
You can put it on and turn it right back off.
On Tradeovate?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put it on it. But if it's on and you hit that daily loss limit, you can't turn it back on until 5 o'clock. You're done for the day.
Okay.
So they won't, yeah, I mean, they worked around that bullshit. Like, the point is to stop you from blowing the account. Yet, Top Step don't care about you blowing the account because they just want you to do a reset. Well, I can't even say that in complete, like, they want you to develop that muscle memory of stopping yourself. But honestly, nobody could stop themselves. We're not stopping ourselves. You could say that you stopped yourself for 10 weeks. All right, cool. Let me know what happens in the 11th, 14th, or 17th week. And all it takes is 15 minutes to blow an account. So like, why not like add that feature? That feature is important, bro.
Yes.
I personally think it is. It is what it is. Obviously, people want to fucking trade. I mean, my trading style, like, I'll come back from a $2,000 loss, a $6,000 loss. But realistically, like, I'll be breaking 10 rules just to do that shit. And if the market goes against me on any of those swings, oh Lord, that 6,000 turns into like 16,000. And now I'm on some like, I'm not fucking leaving until this shit goes back up. Yeah, like out of control, bro. You gotta control. I mean, you gotta hope that you control yourself during these conditions. But I mean, you say that I'm negative all the time. I don't think I'm negative, bro. I'm a realist. Motherfuckers don't easily overcome those situations. Not impossible.
Just look at it as, like I said, we are our own person. So even though we shouldn't be doing it, if I feel like I broke how much I wanted to lose today, I lost more than I wanted to. I don't blame nobody but myself. I can't blame the broker for not putting something in place. That was solely on me for not following what the hell I said I was going to do.
Yeah, no, it's always on you. It's always on you. But it's almost like this, right? Someone comes into your house and you have a gun. You don't believe in killing people. Will you kill that person? 9 times out of 10, you probably will. It's just the scenario that the market puts you in to react a certain way, to trigger that emotional sense. And for you to be a human, go ahead.
But in that same sense, if somebody told you, if you down $6,000 and you take this next trade, I'm gonna blow your head off, are you gonna take that trade?
You probably won't, but the scenarios are a little bit different, right?
But that's the thing with like if somebody breaking in your house and you believe in like thou shalt not kill, but under that circumstance you have to. The difference here is that there's a 50-50 chance. The person that broke into your house doesn't necessarily have to win this battle, right? And in the market, you believe the same thing. You think that going back in, you might win the battle because you won before. So but it don't matter.
No, it does matter, because if someone says they're going to blow your head off if you take that next trade and you have a 50-50 chance, you might take that next trade, right? Because if on the other side you're going to make $1 million, yeah, you might take that fucking trade. But again, you might not, because you're presenting a scenario that makes you afraid of taking that next trade, which is why you shouldn't take that next trade in the market. But it's a very different, it's like this slight different scenario here. No one dies. You either take the trade and you blow an account, which causes some turmoil in your life, or you don't, or you do, and you win a whole bunch of money, which changes the trajectory of your life. And I think that's the problem, right? What's that?
But then that's you gambling at that point.
Yo, tilt is gamble. When you go on tilt, you ain't fucking trading your edge anymore. You going on tilt.
No, and that's the thing. Like live traders always says, like Jared, what he'll say is, you got to make the consequence so bad that you won't do it. And until you can mentally like grasp that the consequence is going to be so detrimental that you just can't do it. And that's what me personally, I don't have that thought process. Like he would say, like if let's say you're against abortions, and the consequence on you going tilt is you got to go donate $500 to like an abortion clinic or something like that. You have to make the consequence so bad to where if you do it, it goes against everything you believe. And that's why I said, if somebody told you, like, either you take that next trade or, okay, I ain't gonna kill you, but I'm gonna kill your kid. Will you risk a 50-50 chance on that trade working, knowing that if it doesn't work, the hell with your life, I'm gonna take your kid's life.
I'm gonna tell you right now, if the other side of that coin is I'm gonna make $10 billion to change my life, some people would take that chance, bro. This is what gambling.
Some people, I'm talking about if
I wouldn't. If you're talking about me, I wouldn't.
That's what I'm saying, though. That's the level you got to get to.
Yeah, but like, but you're presenting a case. You're presenting a if then scenario, right? An if else scenario that isn't really quite realistic to the market. No one dies in this game, right? You're saying you have to do that. I get that. But the problem is that that's not a realistic scenario in this game. No one dies in this game. If anything, we take food out of our kids' mouth. We take food out of our own pockets, right? Like we take money out of our own pockets if we make that decision, but we still make that decision. So forget about that scenario that sounds extreme. Why do 90% of traders still experience that scenario and don't give a fuck? That's the type of realistic type of like arguments that I want to have. I don't want to have an argument about like, yeah, no, you have to make it this extreme. Yeah, no, it is that extreme. But why the fuck do people still don't care? It is.
Not that.
What's that?
Because it's not that extreme.
It is, but exactly, right? Like theoretically speaking, realistically speaking, it's just not that extreme. Nobody dies. It's not a zero-sum game in this shit. You fuck around and...
But you haven't, that's why I said, when you get to that mindset is when you become a good trader.
I agree. When
you go from like blowing up 10 or 20 accounts to making $10,000 to $20,000 per trade, which is what most of these like big time traders did. Because trust me, all of them have been to this same level.
I agree.
It's just that mindset finally clicked. Because like I said, and you say it's extreme, but it's almost, you would say 95% of people failing is extreme, right?
It is, but it seems to be a good stat, a realistic stat. Yeah.
It is realistic, but I'm saying that 5% had to do something
different,
extreme to make it out of that 95%.
Yeah, I 100% agree, right? That it takes you to think the way that you're presenting this theoretical theory to make it, right? I agree. The problem is that I'm more or less leaning towards like, well, why don't we do that, right? Kind of question. And I believe that we don't do that because it doesn't, the end result isn't death. If the end result was death, bro, most people won't even push the button. Like, they just won't, right? They just, fuck that, son. My life ain't worth this. The money is not worth your life. But we try to create these extremes to show people like this is what it's going to take. And I think you're right. Yeah, this is exactly what it's going to take. It's going to take you understanding that why would you take that trade if it isn't in your setup? It's not in your setup. Why are you taking that trade? Right? Because your emotions got triggered. You think the market is going to run. You think the market is going to drop. Your emotions got triggered. It had nothing to do with the edge. So you want to take that trade because of FOMO. You want to take that trade because of emotions. And this market doesn't give a in fact, this market is designed to take money from you because of emotions. And that's why 90% of traders fail. Because the human mind isn't, we're not trained to think about losing, right? We're trained to think about winning. That's an emotional high, a euphoria that we want to chase. And we tend to chase that without fucking like fear of consequence until the consequence hit. Like Mike Tyson said it best. Like, everybody gets in that ring thinking that they're going to win until they get punched. Once that shit happens, then you're like, oh shit, now you're playing defense. And then defense is even harder in this game because defense means losing, accepting a loss of $100 versus $1,000 versus $10,000 versus $20,000. And every second that you spend thinking about that loss, it just gets worse and worse, or it might get better. And that's even a fucking, like, we talked about this last night. When you go in with NQ and you make up the losses that you incurred with MNQ, you get this false sense of, oh shit, I did it. I am a good trader, right? Like, the reality is that you was just on the right side with bigger size right now. But if the market went against you and you were on the wrong side with bigger size, that loss would be even bigger. Everything, it all boils down to accepting the loss, right? Like, if you think about that, accept the loss if you're down 400, accept the loss if you even go down another, $50 because you took MNQ, but sticking to the principles and the rules that you've created to prevent all that tilt shit, man, that's going to make us money. And it just sucks because we're fighting principle versus greed. We don't want to make no fucking, like, bro, I took an NQ trade today, one, and I wish I took two. I'd have been up like $500. I took one NQ contract and that shit hit two and change. Before that, I took two MNQs and I was up $50. That would have been $500 fucking dollars. Plus the NQ that I took, I'd have been up crazy. And that rationale, bro, we have to keep fighting against that shit, man. It's not easy. It's not easy.
It ain't.
It ain't easy.
I think it's like a drug addict.
Yep.
Or alcohol addict. Every day you gotta fight to be disciplined, like with me.
Yep.
So today I gotta fight not to go back in the market to make this $100 that I lost. And then if I do it today, tomorrow, I do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Trading every day is a struggle until you look back and it's been 7 days since you ain't been back in the market when you said you wasn't.
And you agree.
And then it's a month later, and you look back and you say it, and you see alcohol addicts all the time. It's been 379 days since I done had a drink. Like, they literally can tell you how many days it's been since they had their last drink. And then it go from days until it's been 7 years since I had a drink.
Right, right.
You got to look at the stock market the same way and say, okay, today I can't go back in the market. Did I do it? Yep. Okay, I got 1 day under my belt. And you got to treat it the same way like an addict does. Every single day is going to be a new struggle. Because somebody that's an alcoholic, it could have been 20 years since they had a drink. Every day is a struggle for them. Because it's one more day that they can throw all 20 years away and go back to drinking. So I think the stock market is the same way. You got to take every single day. Yesterday, I didn't do it. I lost more than I was supposed to lose, and then I got back in the market and I made it back up. Today, I lost more than I wanted to lose. I'm telling myself I am not getting back in this market today. And it's going to be that struggle. But for me today, I already know that I'm not getting back in the market today. It's no way, no hat.
Yeah, I think it's exactly what you described, right? Like it's that alcoholic counting. And when you look at the history, right? Like I know you're reading Trading in the Zone. And I think when you get to that point where he talks about, it's not about winning or losing, but it's about probability over time. Probability over time. Probability over time. If your edge says that you will win over time, everything in the middle is straight bullshit. Your emotions is bullshit. You're going to fuck up your edge, your probability over time. If, you have FOMO, you're going to fuck up your probability over time. If you trade and keep switching edges, you're going to fuck up your probability over time. It doesn't matter what strategy you have. Over time, that shit will bang. It's just accepting the losses that you have to accept. Like you have to come to grips with that shit, no matter what. And once you do that, I think you will be in a place where you're like, all right, bet. This was a loss. Oh shit, here goes another trade. That was a loss. Oh shit, here goes my daily loss limit, my personal daily loss limit. Let me stop trading. Then tomorrow you get in the market and your edge fucking kicks ass. You're going to make back what you lost yesterday as long as you create a rule that you follow. So it's like the addict says, I can't touch the bottle today. I can't touch the bottle today. I can't touch the bottle today. And he follows that rule. And then he can say, it's been 3 years since I drank. And look at me. He might still have the temptations, but look at me. It's been 3 years since I drank. Man, unless we follow those fucking rules that addict follows, bro, we're going to be in this hamster wheel continuous. Because we can make money. Our edge makes money, bro. That's the crazy thing. I found many traders where they edge make money. I haven't found many traders where they conquer the emotional side of man, I need to stop trading. Let me stop trading. And it's, again, like I always say, I'm not going to ever tell nobody, man, that shit is easy. That shit is hard, bro. That shit is hard.
Yeah, it's that's why the best way to equate it is like we both said, the way that an addict looks at every single day. And you just have to keep on stacking those days of doing what's right. And it's what they said, like it takes 7 days to like start a cycle to make something repetitious. And trading is the same way. You just got to keep putting them days behind you of doing what's right, even when you know it's wrong.
Yeah.
Even when you know the consequence of you doing the wrong thing, you have to. Got to be, like you said, just because you make good moves on the other side of trade, does that make it right that you're going to go in and break what you're supposed to be doing?
Yeah. Well, I'm glad your supply and demand lines work today, brother. This shit bounced like crazy just now. This 2-minute demand is holding steady. Call steady. Market is in a bearish condition. The trend is bearish there, bearish there, bearish there, bearish here. So we'll see if we get a bounce, but we're at the 4-hour money zone. So
Like that first 15, 20 minutes is not my time to trade. So I told myself today that I wasn't going to take a trade until the market had set up for about 15 minutes. And then I still took a trade right when the market opened. So that's the stuff that I got to work on. Like, again, that's part of edge. So if I know that I don't need to be trading that first 15 minutes, I need to let the market settle out. It don't matter if other people doing it. If I know that in my playbook, that is not where I make most of my money. Now, do I make good trades during this? Maybe. But over time, my best trading is going to come after that. And usually what happens is I just shot my load to where I can't trade after that because I took an arrow early on. Unless the market had been trending pre-market, but this was straight chop. And when you posted that, I was like, yep, I got caught all up in that chop.
Yeah, that was a big chop zone too. You heard? That was a big ass chop zone too. I was like, damn, they fucking people up in this shit. So I caught one good up move and I said, I don't want no parts of this. Y'all got this.
I'll try it again tomorrow.
Yeah, but like that's the thing. You're gonna get caught in chop. You're gonna miss out trends. You're gonna catch chop. You're gonna catch trends. Your rule to stop trading is I don't even know how to say this shit and follow it myself. If I could just stop fucking trading, if I hit a $400 loss in a day, tomorrow I'm gonna make anywhere between $300 to $1,000. And this is just Top Step talk. In my personal account, if I could just stop trading at 800, the next day I'm gonna make 1,000 to 2,000. And as long as you got that, bro, you gotta stop looking at this shit like a casino. You gotta look at this shit like an opportunity based on your edge. Oh, my edge is there. Let me take it. Win or lose, you got to take that edge. Win or lose, take the fucking edge because you don't know what's going to happen. You ain't got enough money to move the market. And when you take it and you hit that $1,000 lick, you're like, oh, it happened this time. But it's the hard part of accepting your daily loss limit that we all fall victim to. And I don't know how or what it's going to take for me to follow or believe in that shit, man, because it's been years now. Like now I know I need to. But, bro, that shit hard, cuz. I'd be like, yo, one more trade. Let me just get one more trade.
Until the penalty becomes so much greater than the reward.
But the penalty for us is, all right, fuck it, then blow an account. It only cost me $14. Fuck it.
That's not a penalty.
It is. It's just not one worth the loss. Like, you don't care about that.
Nah, but you got to hear what I just said.
Mm-hmm.
When the penalty becomes so much greater than the reward. So yeah, you blew the account up. But is it greater than what's on the other side?
Yeah.
So when that happens, that's when like that mindset will change to be like, okay, I can go ahead and I know the penalty.
I think it'll help, but I think like an addict, I think it'll help. I definitely think that analogy would help, right? But I think like an addict, there's a level of lack of self-control here. An addict know that the greatest penalty is I might OD and die. That motherfucker's still going for that high. He chasing that rock, cuz. So like the penalty is insane. It's death. But he still
will look at it that way though.
No, he does. He knows it is that is death, but he's not in control. It's almost like a placebo or some sort of fucking insect creeped into your brain and you no longer have control of your body and you're just chasing the high. Oh, I need to get high. I need to get high. I need to get high. And it sucks.
We know that that's the like when an addict is getting high, I don't never think they worry about if they're gonna die on that next high. You think they worry?
I honestly, I don't know. I think you're right. I think that, you know, they own some like, I'm trying to get high. If death come, but I'm trying to get high because I sell this baby to get this high.
And that's the thing. Like they'll sacrifice their kids.
Right.
The well-being of their kids. Because at that point, they're not even being rational. Because the drug has control over them.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, but I think that that's a really good analogy, right? Like this thing feels like a casino to us. We know people have gambling addiction. We know people have, you know, drug addiction, and it ain't no different in the market. You have a high to the P&L. You have an addiction to the P&L. You have an addiction to the possibility of what this market can give you. But the difference between this and getting high is you can create rules around this shit. Following the rules under that addiction is the hard part. I don't think a person creates rules around smoking crack. It's like, all right, I already took 2 shots today. I'm done. That motherfucker going back for it.
I think, like, and it's bad because I'm saying that you've got to look at this thing every day. Every day, you got to come into this market saying, I got a calendar up here on the wall, and I might even do that shit. I might put a calendar on my wall, and every day that I break a rule, put something on that shit. Because the thing is, like for me, I break a rule and then I go, especially on a Tuesday. Today is a Tuesday. I will break a rule on a Tuesday and go get me a snow crab combo. Like, I need to be telling myself, if I break a rule, I'm not going to eat today. I'll be rewarding myself when I break a rule. And that, again, that speaks to what Jared says during his professional trading strategies course. Like, if you break a rule, you got to punish yourself. And like, man, I'm not about to starve today.
Yeah. I feel you, doctor. Hard to do. Again, like, you know, it ain't a simple, I just broke a rule. You know, because like you're your own boss, bro. Ain't nobody gonna fire you. So that's why I implemented, if I start to make errors or if I start to go on, and I mean, the tilt is the hard part. If I do an error and I come out unscathed, I stop trading for the day. I want to follow the daily loss limit rule and stop trading for the day. That's the big one. Even if I go on tilt and I hit that daily loss limit and I stop trading for the day, bro, my account would be, my account would probably explode. I just reached the 50% trader limit in my cash account. Remember before I was telling you, like, yo, if I could just hold on to some winners, not hold on to some winners, but if I could just push away from my win-loss ratio, like I think at the time I made like fucking 40,000, but then I lost like 30,000, and it was like shit, like, or maybe it was a little bit different than that. Like if I could just keep some of those losses, my P&L would go through the roof, like it would rocket. And I think I just made the 50-50 kind of mark, which, you know, it is what it is, but like, bro, it's rules upon, yo, at the end of the day, man, whatever we talking about right now, if you're watching this shit, it just comes down to rules. Create the rules, follow the rules. Easier said than done. There's nothing I can tell you that can make you follow your own rules. But the rules are there to protect you. And I wish to God that fucking Top Step allowed you to fucking put a rule on. That's how this started. Allowed you to put a rule so that you can stop yourself from yourself. Period. Motherfuckers will tell you all day, well, then you should have just followed the rules. No, I can't. You're telling the thief not to steal, and he see $1,000 in front of him. You're telling the addict not to take a drug, and he see cocaine in front of him. The fuck are we talking about here? You feel me, LMD?
Yep. Because what that will do is build that memory.
Yeah, help me the fuck out. Stop me. I'm gonna be tight, but I can't go back in there and open it up. Oh,
But
shit is
that's when you just got to be like, when you take that trade and you hit that limit, just don't even turn the computer off. Just unplug it from the wall. Just snap and be like, all right, now this shit got. That's why like when I'm out in my shop, I log out inside the house. So if I wanted to run back in the house and take a trade, I know it's gonna take me at least a couple of seconds to get inside the house. And then it's gonna take another 30 seconds for Ninja Trader to boot up. And by then that trade gonna be long gone.
Shit, I done seen your ass still boot up and take that trade though.
Yeah, but I put that in place to try to eliminate me going in and seeing, because usually if I go in the house, that initial move that was about to happen, most of the time is gonna be long gone unless I see it playing out and I say, okay, I'm gonna go in and be waiting for it.
Yeah.
But nah, I'm in my shop, and that's why I don't have nothing turned on out in my shop right now. I don't got Think or Swim turned on. I don't got Ninja Trader turned on because I don't want. Why tempt myself as an alcoholic with a damn fifth of Crown sitting right in front of me?
Exactly.
Why? So why log into Ninja Trader out in my shop when I told myself I'm not going to trade, just for me to look at the chart and see a pattern forming that I want to trade?
Right.
Like, no, I'm not about, and that's why I said today, I know I'm not taking no more trades because I'm not about to be looking at the chart. You say the market is running, I'm gonna just be like, yep, it's running.
Yeah. I mean, I agree with you, man. Those type of things can help you. Again, it's following that shit because like you still go ahead and break that, right? And you run into the shop and say, let me take this trade because it looked like it's about to run or whatever, right? It broke the previous swing high. This shit gonna go. You make those rational statements in your head, or you can always find a trade or find reason to take a trade. But it's the rule, it's the technical inability to enter a trade because you hit a daily loss limit and Top Step said, all right, you're done, you're out. I don't give a fuck if you turn that computer back on. You won't be able to take a trade. You are done until 5 o'clock. Similar to their rules of stopping you if you hit your daily loss limit. You bitch mom, like, honestly speaking, I feel like they need to, for the sake of just good grace, right? Like good practice, allow people to put their own daily loss limit. Because hitting a $2,000 limit on a 100K account means that I have $1,000 left to play with. And now, let's say I work my way out of that $2,000 and then I go on tilt again and I hit $2,000. I'm in a fucking rat race. I'm a hamster on a wheel. And it sucks to be a hamster on a wheel, but y'all make money off of me just resetting an account. Y'all make money off of me continuously coming back from a $2,000 loss if it takes 30 days because now I'm paying that monthly fee. So
they do that. People that's in the PA account.
Well, in a PA account, you only pay one time. And if you hit your daily loss limit, then you hit your daily loss limit or you hit your fucking termination or whatever. But like at least in the PA, you don't have to suffer the monthly fee. Either way you put it, not allowing people to create their own daily loss limit is like you saying, this is what I think it's required for you to pass. And we have so many different types of apples out there. Maybe I literally believe, bro, with my gut, that if I stop trading when I hit negative $400 or $800, I will blow through that in 3 days. I will make that money back in 3 days. But if I hit $2,000, it's going to take me, it's going to have more of a psychological and an emotional effect. So the next day I trade, I'm already fucked up in the head. So if I make $300, I'm going to stop trading when I can make fucking 1,000, right? But the next day I trade after that, I make $300. I'm thinking I'm chopping the wood. Oh yeah, I'm getting back those losses. But it's going to take me fucking 3, 4, like 2 weeks to make that back, maybe a week. And this isn't for everyone. This is just me. And this is why I say, like, people need to define their own daily loss limit. And Top Step, Apex, I don't know if Apex lets you do that. Anyways, they need to let people do that shit though, bro. Because a lot of the times we take hits we're not supposed to take.
Yeah, I agree. But that's why I said, like, and I even went and did the numbers on it and still went against it. When you trading in a $50,000 account, what is it, $2,000 is your stop out?
Yeah.
Like
1,000 on a 50.
Huh?
I think in Apex, it's 1,000 on a 50K account or 25.
Nah, $3,000.
Yeah,
or maybe $2,000. But because it's 15 on a 25. But the thing is, like, so when Top Step says on a 50K, your daily loss limit is $1,000. That's 2 days worth of trading if you let it hit your daily loss limit every single day. Where it really should be at the most $200.
Right.
That's 10% of the account size.
Right.
But the thing is, you over 18, they saying you grown, even though we telling you that you can lose up to $1,000, you need to be smart enough to say, okay, let me break. And that's what Vega did, like when he's doing his Apex challenge. Like, let me break this down. And if I got to make $3,000, what do I need? If I make $300 a day, that's 10 days worth of trade. And then if you flip it to the other side and you say $300 is 2R, then my daily stop should be $150. The heck with them telling me that I can lose $1,000. Like we have to be the grown up, but we don't. Our mind don't think that way. Our mind thinks like, you giving me $1,000, I'm gonna ride this bitch all the way down to $1,000. And then I'm gonna try it again tomorrow.
Exactly.
And then I'm done.
Exactly. I think Apex got it right. Fuck these fools. If they can't control themselves, charge them $14, $20 to get an account. And I guarantee even if they pass it, they'll fail in the PA. But 90% of these fools are gonna fail the challenge. Not because they're not good traders, but because they're addicts. And we're putting alcohol in front of them.
And because we telling them that, especially with Top Step, because we telling them that they can lose $1,000 a day, they're not even paying attention. It's that sleight of hand.
Right.
They're not paying attention that we telling them if they lose $2,000, they're done. So that means we're going to allow them to lose half of what they can lose in 1 day.
Right.
Like
what the fuck?
That's that sleight of hand.
That's more than half. That's more than half. We're like you're the bank. You're the bank in a casino, and you know that you're not going to lose. And that's the setup that you've created. And again, this isn't against any prop firm. Like, we're not bashing prop firms at all. We're saying that prop firms don't care about the addiction factor. Some of them will say, all right, well, I mean, at least Top Step stops you at your daily loss limit and gives you another chance tomorrow. but you go ahead and blow another 1,000 and you're done. So it's giving you two days really to deal with your alcoholism, right? To deal with your addiction. Apex, them motherfuckers giving you 1 day. You get you get a 15K account or a 25K account and you blow 1,000, you're done. Start over.
Hey, I'm listening to you, Spark, but I'm about to turn the volume down just a hair bit.
For sure, for sure.
All right, with you said they want to these shirts, lady size or men's size?
You hungry? Want to eat? Yeah, eat.
So those unisex.
No, that didn't work. All right, whatever. Guys, I'm probably not gonna go back into the market. I'll leave the charts on for you guys. A lot of sellers or buyers got trapped in this, and we've seen selling pressure come in way up there. Took a little bit of this buying back up. Oh, I take this one actually. Buying back up. We're rejecting key levels, right? Like
unisex
100 EMA.
What color? Khaki, right? Unisex.
I'm gonna go ahead and just leave this shit on, but we're in a downward trajectory from this supply line. So this isn't a day to leave any kind of orders in the market and just kind of call it a day. SPY is actually holding, and it looks like it's about to go back up. Once it broke that, he got into that. Hopefully he got out there. Yeah, yes, looks better. It's pop there. Oh, there goes the NQ pop. But is it gonna go above this supply and rip? That's the question. That is the question. Some purple candles about to pop. Oh, purple to green. Time to take profit. Let's see. 29 to what the fuck was that? 44? Not a bad move. About 10 points on the NQ. That was lit. I'm out of here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Crack these orders out, man.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Double my.
Hey, Marksman took 100 fucking MNQ contracts yesterday, bro.
Crazy.
He's a big dog. That's like what? 10 fucking NQs.
Because his risk management is where it needs to be. Like, more times than not, he's gonna do the right thing, quick trade, quick trade. He just got to build his system up. So that's the thing. Once it starts working, all he got to do is scale that shit up.
Yeah, I believe that shit. Motherfucker don't play. He will stop. I say he moves his stop a little bit wider. The market gonna reward the shit out of him because he's disciplined. But his stops ain't realistic to me. That motherfucker, the market be like, okay, thank you, gotta go. Okay, thank you again, gotta go. Like, god damn, Marksman, you gave that shit 5 points.
I don't even think that's when he take this trade to break even. Because his stop will normally hold It's when he take his stop to break even and it come back and it tag him.
Gotcha. I think the market about to do a pivot, big dog. I'm out of here. Listen, YouTube. I'm not gonna keep streaming today. I don't think it's. I had an 8-hour stream yesterday. Matter of fact, I'll keep it up. If you guys see a play, send me a fucking text. I'll come back and probably take it with you. I like the longs down here only because we have a lot of demand coming in down here, and it's in conjunction with the 2-minute demand here. So at best, we hit some money zones and reject, but the entire market is bearish. So we'll see what happens. In the meantime, in between time, good luck out there, but the market is bear. Are the bulls gonna take over?
Yes, sir.